look at this bag. It's so adorable. Look at it. It's so cute. It kind of like fits in the palm of my hand, but it's like a little square. It's so nice. This is like the softest, nicest leather, and I just love all of the detailing. It's so cute. I'm going to show you close up. Beautiful, super soft, buttery leather. I love this little key, so cute. And it's got two nice zippers. This is actually a little lock that comes undone. And I love this little zipper pull, just super cute details. It's got this little thing on the top here to hold the handles together. You can just undo that if you'd like. Let's take a look inside here. It's a perfect little square, so it actually does have quite a bit of space on the inside. It's gonna hold a lot more than your phone. It's got another nice pocket here. It's from FLOBLURA. I love this company. They just make such high quality, beautiful bags. Just really well made. So soft. This leather is top quality. This is not like a cheap bag. This is a beautiful little bag. And it does also come with a crossbody strap, which is really great as well. I love this blue too. It's going to be such a cute little pop of color. My daughter just went back to college today. Thank God, because if I had gotten this when she was here, she definitely would have stolen it. This is the cutest thing ever. Love it.